Want to know how to find the most repeated character in a Java string? So let's break it down with this small 17-line code right here. So it's super simple. Even though it might look a little complex, it's gonna get into it just as quick. So you can just copy of this code and modify as you want. So first we take a string like programming. So we have created a string str that is programming right here. And then we create a frequency array of size 256 to count how many times each character appears. So we have also created an integer frequency array, and what do is we loop through each character and increase its count on the array. Then we loop again to find the character with the highest frequency. We keep track of the character and how many times it occurred. Now finally we print the result. In this case, the most frequent character and how many times it appeared. This method is simple, fast and works great for basic character frequency problems. Use it for text analysis, quizzes or even word games. So I'm just going to run it up to show you the results. And there you go. The most frequent one is R than is 2 times. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.